Okay, hello class 11th. Now today we are going to discuss about the motion under gravity and motion on the inclined plane. Now before starting, let us see what we have done. We have derived the three equations. Let me tell you the equations once again. Let me write it here. The first equation है बच्चे आपकी क्या है? It is v equals to u v equals to u plus at. This is the first equation. If second equation is s equals to ut plus half at square, and third equation is v square equals to u square plus 2as. These are the three equations of motion which we have already derived by integration method. Now if we talk about the motion under gravity, that means we are throwing the body either upward or the body is coming downward. That means body is moving under gravity with the influence of the gravity. So the first equation in place of this, now if we talk about the gravity, so that means this a जो acceleration है, it is acceleration due to gravity. So simply what we have to do, we have to replace this a with g. So the first equation v equals to, it become u plus gt. Second equation become v. Second equation will become s equals to ut plus half a gt square, and the third equation will become v square equals to u square plus 2gs. So this is the body moving towards gravity. That means body क्या कर रही है, ऊपर से नीचे आ रही है. It is moving toward gravity, but when it moves against gravity, so that means the acceleration or the acceleration due to gravity will become negative, or we can say the negative acceleration. Then in that case this plus sign will become minus, this will become minus, and this will become minus. So this is the motion under gravity. Now when the body moves on the inclined planes like this, एक inclined plane पे body move कर रही है, say the body is here, it is moving like this. So in that case, say this is the g. So what we have to do, we have to make two component of g. g के दो component बन जाएंगे. दो component means के the one is the horizontal component and the second one is the vertical component. Say this will be, इसको मिला दो इधर और इसको मिला दिया मैंने इधर. Say this is your angle theta, so this line is parallel to this, so this is also theta. If I want to find out this, so the value of this will be g sin theta, and the value of this component will be g cos theta. Okay, it will be g cos theta. That means this g sin theta will work, and what we have to do in place of a, what we have to do, we have to put g sin theta. So that means v equals to u plus g sin theta t. Similarly the second equation will become u t plus half g sin theta t square, and third equation will become v square equals to u square plus 2g sin theta and s. So these are the equations when the body is moving on the inclined plane. Now in this case again the two possibilities are there. The first possibility when the body is coming down, जब body down में आ रही, तो then in that case this g sin theta will be taken as plus. इसको plus लोगे, and when it is moving upward direction, that means this the value of g will become minus, and because of that minus this plus sign will change to minus. जो ये plus sign है ये minus में convert हो जाएगा. Okay, so this is the motion of a body under gravity and motion of on an inclined plane. Now if suppose we have to find the distance traveled by the body in particular time interval. Okay, किसी पर्टिकुलर टाइम इंटरवल में अगर सपोज हमने क्या निकालना हो, डिस्टेंस फाइंड आउट करना हो, सो इन दैट केस व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, लेट अस से जो बॉडी है उसकी इनिशियल वेलोसिटी कितनी है. इनिशियल वेलोसिटी से इट इज हाउ मच, से इट इज u, और फाइनल वेलोसिटी कितनी है, v है और टाइम जो लगा है चेंज होने में इट विल बी t. सो if I find out the distance travel in t second में कितना distance body ने travel किया, तो that means we are finding st. So st will be equals to, use the second equation, st equals to ut plus half at square. So this is my first equation. Now इससे just एक second पहले चले जाओ. So it means कि now if I want to find out the distance traveled by the body in t minus 1 second, suppose t minus 1 second means कि in place of t we have to put t minus 1 now. So it will be u t minus 1 plus 1 upon 2 a and t minus 1 का whole square. So say this is the second equation. What is our need? Our need is to find out the distance travel in tth second में कितना डिस्टेंस बॉडी ने ट्रेवल किया. वी आर नॉट सेइंग कि बॉडी ने 1 से स्टार्ट हुआ t सेकंड तक गया, कितना डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल किया. नो, ओके, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट कि स्पेशली सिर्फ tth सेकंड में बॉडी ने डिस्टेंस कितना ट्रेवल किया. सो उसके लिए मैंने क्या किया, st को फाइंड आउट किया, इसको फाइंड आउट किया. जो ये st है ये टोटल डिस्टेंस दे रहा है मुझे. ये क्या दे रहा है, टोटल डिस्टेंस दे रहा है t माइनस 1 सेकेंड में. ये टोटल डिस्टेंस दे रहा है t सेकेंड में. सो आवर नीड इज के वी नीड डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड ओनली इन tth सेकेंड. सो फॉर दैट व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, s इक्वल्स टू st minus st minus 1. Simply what we have to do, we have to subtract them. So st is ut plus half at square and minus करना है इसमें से u t minus 1 plus half a and t minus 1 का whole square. So this we have to do. So simplify, इसको simplify कर लेते हैं. It will be ut plus half at square as it is आ जाएगा, and from here we get minus will be remain minus, and here will be ut minus u, and say it will be plus half a, and this will be t square plus 1 and minus 2t by applying the formula. So इसको further solve करते हैं. ut plus half at square minus how much, ut will be ut only, minus u will be u only, plus will be plus only. So ut will be ut only, u will be u only, and this will be half a t square and plus half a and minus this multiply with this, so 2 get cancelled, so we are left with 80 only. So ये मिल गया मुझे. Now if something is cancelling you can cancel it out. अगर cancel नहीं हो रहा है तो simply open the bracket, ut plus half at square minus ut minus will be minus u minus half at square and then minus 1 upon 2a, and then we have minus ka, this will become plus 80. So this get cancelled with this, and this ut get cancelled with this ut, and we are left with 80 minus u and minus half a. So this is the distance traveled in tth second. ये क्या आ गया, डिस्टेंस आ गया tth सेकंड में जो बॉडी ने ट्रेवल किया. सो वी कैन से कि दिस इज द फोर्थ इक्वेशन. ये क्या निकाला है मैंने, दिस इज द फोर्थ इक्वेशन. तो फोर्थ इक्वेशन में स्पेशली हम लोग करते क्या है, फोर्थ इक्वेशन में सिंपली वी आर फाइंडिंग द डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल इन अ पर्टिकुलर सेकंड. जैसे मैंने यहां पर निकाला पर्टिकुलर सेकंड में मैंने डिस्टेंस निकाला. सो इन द सेम वे कि सपोज वो पूछे कि 9 सेकंड में कितना डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल किया, तो फॉर दैट केस व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द डिस्टेंस, टोटल डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल इन 9 सेकंड एंड टोटल डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल इन 8 सेकंड, एंड देन वी हैव टू सबट्रैक्ट इट, and the equation which we are getting is called the Newton fourth equation. Okay, so this is all for today. Baki in the next video we are starting with the numericals based on these equations. So for today, thank you very much.